Most people think Vaseline is something your grandma keeps next to her bed for dry feet. But what they don't know is, it's a secret weapon for men who actually take their appearance seriously. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Vaseline hacks that'll sharpen your looks, make you smell irresistible, and give you that clean, masculine edge most guys lack. Watch till the end, because if you do this right, you'll never waste another rupee on overpriced grooming products again. Let's get into it. Section 1, Smell That Lasts. Let's be real. Every man wants to smell good, but your expensive perfume fades in 3 hours and you're back to smelling like nothing. The fix? Make your own long-lasting Vaseline fragrance. Boil about a liter of water. Drop in an entire jar of Vaseline and let it melt completely. Take it off the heat, let it cool a bit, and spray your favorite perfume straight into that melted Vaseline. Don't be shy. The more you spray, the stronger the scent. Once done, put it in the fridge for 3 hours. When it solidifies, use it before applying your perfume. Rub a little on your pulse points, neck, wrists, collarbone. You'll smell fresh, masculine, and expensive all day, no matter how much you move. Section 2, Eyebrow Game. A man's eyebrows define his face. Look at any sharp, dominant face. You'll notice thick, shaped brows. They frame your eyes and make you look more powerful. Here's what to do. Take a little Vaseline, rub it between your fingers, and apply it on your eyebrows following the direction of your hair. It gives them a darker, fuller, more controlled look. No gels, no makeup, just a natural, masculine finish that subtly boosts your presence. Section 3, Hair That Stays in Control. Frizzy, untamed hair instantly kills your clean look. Instead of drowning your head in cheap wax or gel, use a small amount of Vaseline. Rub it on your palms, then apply lightly through your hair. It gives your hair a smooth, hydrated, healthy shine without looking greasy. But don't overdo it. This is precision work, not a bath in oil. Use too much and you'll look like you haven't seen a shower in a week. Section 4. Lips that don't flake. Cracked. Dry lips ruin your first impression fast. Here's how to fix them like a pro. You need 3 things: Vaseline, coconut oil, and a toothbrush. First, brush your teeth. Then dip that brush in coconut oil and scrub your lips gently. It removes dead skin and increases blood flow. Once done, apply a bit of Vaseline. Your lips will look clean, healthy, and hydrated. Not shiny or fake, just naturally better. Section 5. Dark circles, gone. Late nights, screens, stress. Dark circles make you look tired and dull. Instead of wasting money on overpriced eye creams, use Vaseline. Before sleeping, apply a small amount under your eyes. When you wake up, wash your face and do ice therapy for a few minutes. Vaseline repairs the skin overnight and locks in moisture. The ice tightens and brightens your under eye area. Within a few days, you'll look fresher, sharper, and more awake. Now you see why real men don't underestimate a simple jar of Vaseline. It's not just for dry skin. It's a complete grooming weapon. You can make your own signature scent, sharpen your brows, fix your hair, heal your lips, and clear up your under eyes, all from one product. So stop overcomplicating your grooming routine. Grab a jar of Vaseline, use these hacks, and start looking like the best version of yourself. Sharp, clean, and confident. And if you're serious about becoming that man who stands out with my simple solutions, just hit that subscribe button and keep leveling up. One thing more, if you know any better Vaseline trick, let me know in the comments section. Happy rebuilding yourself.